Hello friends, the Cosmic Quest, a deep dive into becoming a space scientist. Picture this, you're floating weightlessly in a spacecraft, gazing out at the swirling blues and greens of Earth below. The sun illuminates the solar panels of your vessel, and the stars beyond twinkle invitingly. You're a space scientist, and this is your workplace, a realm of endless possibilities and awe-inspiring discoveries. How did you get here? Let's retrace the steps of this extraordinary journey. Nurturing your inner astronaut. From a young age, the cosmos may have captivated you. Maybe you were the kid who had glow-in-the-dark stars on your bedroom ceiling, meticulously arranging them into constellations. Perhaps you spent countless hours building model rockets, carefully painting them with NASA insignia, and dreaming of the day you could launch your own creations into the sky. Or maybe you were simply fascinated by the moon's phases, the changing patterns of light and shadow that mark the passage of time. The first step toward becoming a space scientist is to embrace that natural curiosity, to nurture the childlike wonder that fuels your desire to explore the unknown. Dive into the vast library of space-related literature. Let your mind wander through captivating books about our solar system, each page revealing the secrets of planets, moons, and asteroids. Immerse yourself in documentaries that chronicle the history of space exploration, from the first tentative steps on the moon to the ambitious missions that have ventured to the outer reaches of our solar system. And don't be afraid to let your imagination run wild with science fiction stories that transport you to distant galaxies where you can encounter alien civilizations and witness the marvels of interstellar travel. But your journey doesn't have to be confined to the pages of a book or the screen of a television. Seek out experiences that can bring the cosmos to life. Visit your local planetarium where you can recline in a comfortable seat and be transported to the heart of a nebula or witness the birth of a star in stunning detail. Explore science museums where interactive exhibits invite you to touch meteorites, build your own model of the solar system, or even simulate a spacewalk. These experiences can spark a lifelong passion for space and set you on the path to becoming a space scientist. Building a strong foundation, the early years. As you progress through school, you'll discover that science and math are your trusty companions on this cosmic quest. They're not just subjects to be studied, they're the tools you'll need to understand how the universe works and to one day contribute to our knowledge of it. In your math classes, you'll learn about algebra, geometry, trigonometry, and calculus. These seemingly abstract concepts will prove invaluable when calculating the trajectories of spacecraft, analyzing data from telescopes, or modeling the behavior of black holes. In your science classes, you'll delve into the fundamentals of physics, chemistry, and biology, exploring the laws that govern matter and energy, the interactions of atoms and molecules, and the intricate workings of living organisms. All of these subjects will provide a solid foundation for your future studies in space science, but don't just passively absorb the information presented in your textbooks and lectures. Engage with the material, ask questions, and seek out additional resources to deepen your understanding. Online tutorials, science magazines, and educational websites can offer a wealth of information and insights. Participate in science fairs or competitions where you can design and conduct your own experiments, present your findings, and receive feedback from experienced judges. These experiences will not only enhance your knowledge, but also foster your critical thinking skills, problem-solving abilities, and passion for scientific inquiry. Finding your niche, the many faces of space science. As you delve deeper into the world of space science, you'll discover that it's not a single monolithic field. Instead, it's a vast network of interconnected disciplines, each with its own unique focus and allure. As you learn more, you'll start to uncover the areas that most resonate with you, the questions that spark your curiosity and drive your desire to explore. Astronomy. Delve into the study of celestial objects and phenomena, from the twinkling stars that dot the night sky to the swirling galaxies that stretch across the cosmos. Unravel the mysteries of black holes, neutron stars, and supernovae, and explore the vast distances of the universe. Astrophysics. Apply the principles of physics to understand the properties and behavior of celestial objects. Investigate the nature of dark matter and dark energy, study the evolution of stars and galaxies, and explore the extreme conditions that exist in the hearts of black holes. Planetary science. Embark on a journey to explore the diverse worlds within our solar system. Study the geology, atmospheres, and potential for life on planets like Mars, Venus, and Jupiter's moon Europa. Investigate the composition of asteroids and comets and unravel the secrets of planetary formation. Cosmology. Contemplate the grandest questions of all, the origin, evolution, and ultimate fate of the universe. Study the Big Bang, the expansion of space, and the cosmic microwave background radiation, the afterglow of the universe's fiery birth. Investigate the nature of dark matter and dark energy, the mysterious substances that make up the majority of the universe's mass and energy. Aerospace engineering. Design, develop, and test the spacecraft, rockets, and instruments that enable us to explore the cosmos. Tackle the challenges of spaceflight, from propulsion systems and thermal protection to life support systems and navigation. These are just a few of the many fascinating fields within space science. As you explore these different disciplines, you'll find the ones that spark your curiosity and ignite your passion. From classroom to cosmos, high school and college, as you enter high school, you'll have the opportunity to delve deeper into the subjects that ignite your passion for space. Consider challenging yourself with advanced placement, AP, or honors courses in physics, chemistry, calculus, and any other relevant subjects. If your school offers astronomy or earth science classes, those are excellent options as well, providing you with a deeper understanding of our planet and its place in the cosmos. Look for extracurricular activities like science clubs, robotics teams, or even summer research programs where you can get hands-on experience and connect with other aspiring space scientists who share your enthusiasm. These experiences will not only enhance your knowledge, but also provide valuable opportunities to network with mentors and peers who can guide you on your path. College is the next major milestone on your journey to becoming a space scientist. You'll likely choose a major related to your chosen field, such as physics, astronomy, astrophysics, aerospace engineering, or even geology, if you're interested in studying the geological features of planets and moons. In college, you'll be immersed in a world of cutting-edge research, where you'll have the chance to work in laboratories equipped with state-of-the-art technology. You may even have the opportunity to participate in research projects that contribute to our understanding of the universe, working alongside experienced scientists who can mentor and inspire you. Hands-on experience, research and internships. One of the most rewarding aspects of being a space scientist is the opportunity to conduct research and contribute to our understanding of the universe. As an undergraduate student, look for opportunities to participate in research projects at your university or at research institutions like NASA centers or national laboratories. These experiences will allow you to work alongside experienced scientists, learn valuable research skills such as data analysis, experimental design, and scientific writing, and gain a deeper understanding of the scientific process. Another way to gain valuable experience is through internships. Many space-related organizations offer internships to students, providing them with the chance to work on real-world projects, network with professionals in the field, and gain a better understanding of the different career paths available. Beyond the bachelor's degree, master's and PhD. For many aspiring space scientists, the journey doesn't end with a bachelor's degree. Pursuing a master's degree or a PhD allows you to specialize in a particular area of space science, conduct independent research, and contribute to the advancement of the field in a meaningful way. These advanced degrees typically involve rigorous coursework, extensive research, and the completion of a dissertation or thesis, which presents your original research findings. A world of possibilities, careers in space science. Once you've completed your education and gained valuable experience through research and internships, you'll be ready to launch your career in space science. The possibilities are as vast as the universe itself, and the path you choose will depend on your interests, skills, and aspirations. Work as a researcher. Conduct groundbreaking studies at a university, government agency like NASA, or a private research institution. Your research could focus on anything from the composition of exoplanet atmospheres to the properties of dark matter, pushing the boundaries of our knowledge and understanding of the universe. Design spacecraft and missions. Join an engineering team at a space agency or private space company where you could contribute to the design of spacecraft, instruments, or even entire missions to explore the solar system and beyond. Your work could involve designing innovative propulsion systems, developing new instruments to study distant planets, or even planning the trajectory of a spacecraft as it journeys to Mars or beyond. Analyze data from space missions. Work as a data analyst or scientist, processing and interpreting data from telescopes, spacecraft, and other instruments. Your work could involve analyzing the light from distant stars to determine their composition, studying the seismic activity of other planets, or even searching for signs of life beyond Earth. Educate and inspire. Become a science communicator working at a museum, planetarium, or other educational institution where you can share your passion for space with the public and inspire the next generation of space scientists. Your work could involve developing engaging exhibits, giving presentations that illuminate complex concepts in an accessible way, or even writing articles or books about space science that spark the curiosity and imagination of people of all ages. Remember, the journey to becoming a space scientist is a marathon, not a sprint. It requires dedication, hard work, a thirst for knowledge, and a willingness to embrace challenges and setbacks along the way. But the rewards are immeasurable. As a space scientist, you'll have the opportunity to contribute to our understanding of the universe, unravel its mysteries, and inspire others to look up at the night sky with wonder and curiosity. Let your passion for space be your guiding star. With perseverance and determination, you can achieve your dreams and make your mark on the final frontier, leaving a lasting legacy for generations to come. If you like this video, please like, comment, and share the video, and please do not forget to subscribe for more videos.